Drop it.
Certainly. The Labrador Retriever is one of the most popular dog breeds in the world, known for its friendly and outgoing nature. Here are some unique characteristics, appearance traits, and interesting facts about Labrador Retrievers. Unique characteristics. Temperament. Labradors are known for their friendly, gentle, and outgoing personalities. They are often good with children, other pets, and strangers. Intelligence. Labradors are highly intelligent and trainable dogs. They excel in various roles, including service dogs, search and rescue, and therapy dogs. Energetic. They are energetic and enjoy various activities, such as fetch, swimming, and running. Regular exercise is important to keep them happy and healthy. Loyalty. Labradors are loyal companions and are often deeply attached to their families. Retrieving instinct. True to their name, Labradors have a strong natural instinct to retrieve objects, making them excellent companions for activities like hunting and retrieving games. Appearance traits. Size. Labradors are medium to large-sized dogs. Males typically weigh between 65 to 80 pounds, and females weigh around 55 to 70 pounds. Coat. They have a short, dense double coat that comes in three main colors: black, yellow, and chocolate. The coat provides good insulation and water resistance. Eyes and expression. Labradors have expressive eyes that convey warmth and intelligence. Their eyes can be brown or hazel, depending on coat color. Build. Labradors have a well-balanced and athletic build. They have a broad head, strong neck, and a thick, tapering tail. Facts. Origin. Labradors originated in the Canadian island of Newfoundland, where they were used by fishermen to retrieve nets and haul lines. Webbed feet. Labradors have webbed feet, which makes them strong swimmers. This characteristic helps them excel in water-related activities. Good family dogs. Labradors are often considered excellent family dogs due to their friendly nature and patience with children. Popular in roles. They are commonly used as guide dogs for the visually impaired, search and rescue dogs, therapy dogs, and in various canine sports. Shedding. Labradors shed their coat throughout the year, with heavier shedding occurring in the spring and fall. Remember that individual Labradors can have variations in temperament and behavior, but these general traits are often seen in the breed as a whole. If you're considering bringing a Labrador Retriever into your home, be prepared for an active and affectionate companion, who will likely become a beloved member of your family.